The scariest moment is just before you begin. A quote by Stephen King. I have one simple question. How many times do you wash your bed sheets? Think to yourself, honestly. Do you wash them every 3 months? Is it every 2 months? Once a month? Let's think statistically here. You sleep in your bed sheets around 6 hours a night. Multiply that by 7 days, which is a week. That is already 42 hours a week that you sleep in your bed. Multiply that by 4 weeks, which is 1 month, which is 168 hours. 2 months would be 336 hours of filth. You are sleeping in filth. Do you understand what I mean by filth? Filth is something being extremely dirty and contaminated. Yes, contaminated. These sheets that you sleep on are contaminated. You sweat every night, and you collect deadly bacteria every day, and you shed skin constantly. Where does this end up? You are supposed to wash your bed sheets once a week, from the CNN's Carol Nixon. First, you sweat a pound every night in your sleep. 1 whole pound, from Robert Coleridge, the journalist. This is fluid differential from the carbon and lung waste, as well as water vapor. You breathe on your sheets and expose them to your body's waste. So you're breathing in and breathing out hazardous waste from your lungs. And sweat is toxins. So whenever you're sleeping, you're releasing toxins from your sweat. And if you are a married couple, you are sleeping in each other's toxins and sweat. Being in the medical field, I work on the cardiac floor at a hospital, and we have to weigh our patients every morning at 5 a.m. This comes to show that you do have a differential in fluids throughout the night, so you do lose a pound on average during your sleep. Second, you collect harmful bacteria every day. You have been told this a million times your whole life to wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands, but it's true. And not just your hands, your nose, which is your nares, and you collect bacteria there a lot. And if it spreads onto your nose and you sleep and you're breathing all those bacteria cells and toxins onto your sheets, that's hazardous and deadly and contaminated. So whenever you release not only the lung vapor or the lung waste, the nares also give toxins as well. So you should wash your sheets. Also, with that being said, you should blow your nose every night before you go to sleep. This is proven to help with allergies, especially. Both washing your sheets and blowing your nose before bedtime helps with your allergies. Last but not least, we shed like snakes. We shed dandruff from our hair. We shed skin cells from our skin all over our sheets. And a way to properly disinfect your sheets and to clean them is to put 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. It helps clean your washing machine as well, states the laundry granary room, and it helps disinfect, which is what you need for your sheets to decontaminate them. We all hate doing laundry, especially sheets. I can't fold a fitted sheet to save my life, and I'm 20. I probably never will. I just roll it up in a ball and throw it in the closet. So I understand if it's hard to wash your sheets once a week, or if it's hard for you to do it once a month. But it is a preventative risk factor, and it's worth it. The School of Science and Mathematics made a washing machine that actually washes a load in 45 seconds. Unfortunately, that's not ideal for us, so we do have to take the time to wash our sheets. So we need to wash our sheets and to help our lives. It's a risk factor, and we deserve to live longer, and if washing your sheets helps with that, it's worth it. So referring back to Stephen King, he said that the scariest moment is just before you begin. So knowing all these preventative measures and all these statistics, why would you not want to wash your sheets? you are collecting bacteria, deadly bacteria every day, and you lose a pound of sweat a night. So on top of that, you are shedding skin. And also, if you are a married couple, you are sharing all of that. And I know you kiss, but it's just, you should really wash your sheets and not sleep in each other's filth. So this is a preventive measure, and it's worth it to wash your sheets. So 336 hours is a long time to not wash your sheets. So do you really want to wait 336 hours? Do you have any questions for me?
When you wash your sheets, do you use hot or cold water?
That's a great question. You use hot water because it helps disinfect and it kills the germs. Any other questions?
No.